And they're up top notcher, looking for the lead, followed closely by Gallo de Arlo. Blind Ambition for the outside, third Queen Alicia, well compelled to lead, is running in the tail of the fielder. Out straight they travel, top notcher just in front, and Gallo de Arlo from the outside, second 2 lengths back now is Blind Ambition, then followed by Queen Alicia and compelled to lead. Into the back they travel, top notcher, Gallo de Arlo, now the outside and Blind Ambition. And passing the half mile is still top notcher. Moving up now is Gallo de Arlo. 2 lengths back to Blind Ambition. 5 lengths away Queen Alicia and compelled to lead. Nearing the last 600 is Gallo de Arlo, top notcher. Blind Ambition on the outside is Gallo de Arlo, top notcher. Blind Ambition moving up on the outside. Inside the last 400, Blind Ambition takes up the running, followed by Gallo de Arlo. Top notcher, Queen Alicia coming home to now as they reach the final turn with Blind Ambition leads by some 4 lengths now, followed now by Queen Alicia moving up top notcher, but still Blind Ambition followed by top notcher and Queen Alicia, and finally Blind Ambition, top notcher, Queen Alicia, Gallo de Arlo, and compelled to lead.
For second choice, yung ating winner dito, that's Blind Ambition with John Alvin Guse. Forecast na 5-1, estimate